Here are 10 really cool art hacks you can use with ChatGPT.
Create a clean black and white coloring book page featuring a cute rabbit riding a bicycle in the park on a sunny day.
Create an oil painting of a black German Shepherd dressed as a medieval knight.
Create a clean black and white vector of an angry, snarling tiger ready to attack.
Create a silhouette of the London, England skyline.
Create a vintage-style Western wanted poster with a $100 reward.
Colorize this photograph with bright, vibrant natural colors. Include a brilliant sunset.
Create a blacklight neon poster featuring a jaguar with glowing eyes. The primary colors are bright blue, red, and yellow.
Change the hair color to blonde. Change the shirt color to blue and add in a pair of sunglasses.
Turn this photograph into a cartoon from The Simpsons.
Create a futuristic neon poster featuring a sports car and palm trees with the word "the future"